Hi, and welcome to Keep on Trekkin, an unrehearsed panel forum for the discussion and debate of the socio-political ramifications of the single most important cultural phenomena of our time, namely Star Trek. I'm Lieutenant Commander Chet, and our panelists this evening are, as always, Science Officer Bob.
Waiting orders, sir.
Ensign Stinky.
Come down.
Sorry, Stinky. And Lord Darkthorn.
Hi.
Today's topic, the final episode of Star Trek: The Next Generation. Was it canceled, or was it actually an insidious plot by evil Mirror Universe television executives bent on world domination? Your thoughts on this subject, gentlemen?
I was discussing this last night with my girlfriend.
No way!
For real? I don't believe it!
How did you meet, like, a girl?
I have a life outside of Star Trek, you know. I play Dungeons and Dragons. Traitor!
Hey, cool it, Stinky!
No! How could you? Lord Darkthorn, you've betrayed the sanctity of our United Federation. She could be a salt vampire for all we know.
Come on, Stinky! She might have friends or cousins or something. Come on, calm down, Stinky.
Ensign Stinky.
Ensign Stinky.
Jenna!
So where'd you meet her?
Well, we were on an adventure, and her 4th level Dark Elf Magic User Travel Agent battled with my 5th level Druid Cleric Thief Middle Management Soothsayer. The rest was history. I don't have 18 charisma for nothing, you know.
You're full of hooey.
Oh? Well, maybe you'd like to ask her for yourself.
You brought her here?
No,
to my basement bachelor pad? Oh, I gotta clean.
No,
are my opponents on straight?
Fellas, I'd like you to meet my soulmate / concubine. Say hello to Lady Ravensclaw.
Hi.
Welcome aboard.
Hi.
How fare you, my rare and beautiful night blossom?
Okay, my lord and lead.
Pull it together, Stinky. Ensign Stinky.
So, Lady Ravensclaw, how many hit points do you have?
Hey, back off, man! That's my girl you're talking to!
Chet? Lord Darkthorn here tells me you have a TV show?
Oh, yes, TV show I have.
Show on.
What we talk on Star Trek.
Trek.
Yes, we talk about Trek,
TV.
Star Trek. So, who's your favorite character?
Oh, I'd have to say Ensign Wesley Crusher.
No, really? Who's your favorite character?
No, really. Ensign Wesley Crusher. He's so cute and smart. Smarter than Spock, I think. Aha!
Whoa.
I'm so embarrassed.
She seems so cool.
What? What did I say?
I don't think we should see each other anymore.
But what about our Tales of Bold Adventure, huh?
We've grown apart, Lady Ravensclaw. Or should I say, Deirdre. Don't worry, Deirdre. We'll always have the 5th level Asgard module.
Don't play this! There are plenty of guys in this world with more hit points than you! Frank!
Frank?
I don't want to talk about it.
Well, that's about all the time we have this week. Next week, who's the sassiest girl in Starfleet? Our viewers' poll results. For my crew, I'm Lieutenant Commander Chet.
Women are cancer! I told you!
Until next time, engage.
I'm gonna turn that into a button.
That pretty much wraps it up for tonight. Thank you all for coming. We'll be doing this again sometime real soon. Stay in touch. In fact, we'll be doing... we got a phone number. We actually have a hotline. It's 908-364-6441. You can come up and ask me about it later on. That's actually Doing One with 2 G's. So until next time, thanks a lot for coming.